Experts say that the single biggest difference between financial success and financial failure is how well you manage money. It's simple. To master money, you must manage money. Managing money efficiently is no cakewalk. But as you begin to make several considerably important financial decisions, it becomes absolutely essential to have the best of financial instruments by your side. And what's more important is that you know how to use them correctly. One such instrument is a credit card. But what is a credit card? In the simplest of terms, a credit card is a rectangular piece of plastic or metal issued by a bank or financial services organization that lets an individual borrow funds to pay for goods and services. The condition being that the cardholder must pay back the borrowed money with the applicable interest or any other charges depending on the type of card. This can either be done at once during the billing time or over an agreed upon period of time. So you're not exactly using money to pay for the said goods and services, but you're actually using the promise of paying the amount in the future. Using credit cards has some really great benefits, like getting amazing reward points and cash back. These reward points can be earned by spending on the most basic of things like groceries, fuel, or even restaurants. And when a good amount of reward points is collected, the cardholder can redeem them for travel or leisure purposes of various kinds, to buy merchandise, or they can simply avail gift cards. Today, cashbacks have become such a trend that some card companies offer 2%, 3%, or even as large a percentage as 6% cashbacks on some select purchases. There are different credit cards for different purposes. Balance transfer cards have relatively low interest rates and fees when balance is transferred from one credit card to another. Charge cards don't have a present spending limit but don't usually allow 1 month's unpaid balance to be carried over to another. Premium cards are considerably expensive in terms of annual fees but offer perks to their holders like concierge services, access to the airport lounge, access to special events, and more. Reward cards, based on what the cardholder's spending habits are, offer them benefits like cashback, travel rewards, etc. Secured credit cards can be availed when the holder submits an initial cash deposit, which the issuer would hold as collateral. And the standard cards simply let the holders make purchases, transfer balance, etc. without an annual fee. Getting a credit card is easy, but where or whom to get it from is a question that needs to be thought about. Credit card issuers and credit card networks are two different things. While a credit card issuer is a financial institution that provides an individual with a credit card, a credit card network does more than that and provides a communication system between a merchant and an issuer to help facilitate a credit card transaction. Few of the most widely known credit card networks are Visa, MasterCard, American Express, and Discover. Credit cards are such a huge success worldwide that the credit card transaction value in the US alone is $3.92 billion. Visa happens to be one of the most loved credit card brands that has a transaction volume of 188 billion. Canada is the country with the highest credit card penetration in the world. People love to shop online as well as offline using their credit cards, so much so that the credit card market share for in-store shopping in the US is 40%. And 19% of the Europeans' market share is through shopping online using credit cards. According to a recent study by the Federal Reserve Bank of San Francisco in 2021, of all the payments that were made, 28% were made via credit card. The study had been tracking the usage of credit cards since 2016, and the aforementioned percentage is the highest so far. The usage of credit cards is evidently gaining good ground, as the number of credit card users is increasing rapidly. In Q4 2021, and from those 196 million total users, 20.1 million were new accounts. This indicates a 60% annual growth from the previous year. If used wisely, credit cards can open the door to the world of efficient personal financial management. With a sensible combination of using your credit and debit cards, you can enjoy rewards and benefits, all the while keeping your finances in check. This will not only help you manage money, but will also help you save a lot of it.